Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Give thanks. Excuse moi. Give thanks and praise. Give thanks and praise. Comment allez-vous? Bonjour. Muy bien. Merci. Once again, we say give thanks and praise to the mystic laws of the universe and its protective functions and forces in nature. Guide our thoughts and our path in all ways that are lawful, correct, positive. We do give thanks and praise. Keep it simple. Now, irrespective of what the unlearned people about them might think, there is no statute of limitation on fraud. Telling us that people out there, them not think, them not use them brain, them have it and now wear hat. Yeah, man. Some of them are wear ladies' underwear on top of that. Yeah, man. Total idiots. Yeah, man. And then I want the truth, so we nobody look upon them. Yeah, man, we just judgment them on into perpetuity. Yeah, God, I'm a done sport thing. And it's not about bringing hurt and harm to anyone, really, really. Yeah, man, it's just revelation, revelation of truth. Yeah, man. When you have truth revealed, then that revelation of truth is, in fact, the revelation and the revolution. God, revelation bring revolution. This is what truth do, it bring change. It not to be violent. This is what I try to express to some of my people out there. Everybody want to be big and bad, but nobody no want to demonstrate them intelligence. I wonder why is that? Why is that? Well, here what? We have raised the bar. We have raised the standard. We are set it. Yeah, man, we are set the standard. Now, may I share a basic set of information that we have put together. This probably is a 4-page document. We'll need to add 2 more pages to it. And then we're going to restructure it again and carry a place it down in the Supreme Court. Brawling. But I'm in no rush, really. And pay attention. High authority, not an attorney who is inferior to I. Now I'm on the common law writ for redress, false arrest, unlawful seizure, human rights violation, House of Dallas Allodial Trust Estate by Linton-Oneil. We use a comma right there, Dallas. My people know me, and my ancestors them know me, and in the spiritual realm, them know I as Ahuuah, really. Anciency. And we say without prejudice, all rights reserved. We say notice the agent is notice to the state principal. Notice the state agent is notice the state principal, etc. All. Title. Common law writ for redress of false arrest, unlawful imprisonment, and malicious destruction of personal private property under the Road Traffic Act. Remember, fraud vitiates all. Jurisdiction, court, the Supreme Court of Jamaica. Authority, the Constitution of Jamaica as amended 2011, Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom, Road Traffic Act 1938, etc. All. Parties, plaintiff, Linton-Oneil, Dallas, Ahuuah. Defendants, Angel Morgan, Constable, 17034. Probably this brethren are gone foreign. A long time thing this, but them now can't say it never happened. Really. And remember me I shown us enough to hurt them police, you have to bring attention to the colonization and the criminal act and conduct being perpetrated unknowingly. So we bring clarity. Yeah, man. So again, Angel Morgan, A. Edwards, Sergeant, and O. Porter, Constable, but Officer Porter only because the indicting instrument, the evidence, his name is on the evidence, but that was a very respectful, proper, decent police officer. I hope him not change. I hope him not make them pressure him and make him talk bad man police. I go and I forgot do a research. I forgot start get active again. But me nah no wheels. I forget about my wheels on the road, I forget some wheels. And I nah go jump in and out and I care about nothing at all. That's why I not make that move yet. Remember, a war it name. You can't go a war when your war chest weak. You have to just go and wall out, stand your ground until you power up. When you power up, you got just decimate the whole place. However, it not stop you from staying prepared. Some apparatus, always ready, ever prepared. So we just try to stay sharp. And remember, I tell them I have a couple more document information, 2 more pages of information for add to this. But we just express what we are express, so we get them notice to know that we can't get out of the way whenever we do choose, really. So this is why I'm not afraid, carry and conduct on yourself appropriately. Specifically when it comes on to man when them sovereign state capacity and can demonstrate and express it. Yeah, man. Again, salute Officer Porter. Proud that he has a young constable a few years ago. I hope you stay humble and apply yourself, upgrade yourself. I don't know what the 100 Morgan him a deal with. I tell him say him look like him sharp and love the law, but him look like him a more switching on the 100. Yeah, man, I have to check up on the people. Really. I have to do a check on them, make sure that balance. Yeah, man. Earlier, a team of police coming in my area. They're on the front as usual. And then pass going on the lane, the pathway, conduct whatever business. But what impressed me about these police officers, the man them full of respect. Jano, me have to ask them if them know me. Yeah, man, the man them really show a lot of respect and thing on me. I said, wow. Oh, when I look on the TV, I see them a beat people and they up. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. But when them ask me for address and thing, I say, yo, my address are this. I don't know nothing about what you ask me about. You have to really go, go walk and look on these addresses and go find which party I look for. Where you want people to hang me around here? Me a comedian. Now I say, yo, you never said no officer or not catch you. What they are you? I say, you know me. You know me? You don't know me? Pull out my ID and I make him know my thing, And I'm quite sure that the young youth them impressed, the young police them. I be salute and respect them. I appreciate that. Because I always tell them, it's the moment I come across people who can read and write, intelligent, if them even just, barely can help themselves. Once them can demonstrate a little intelligence, me and them now go have no problem with that. Really. Really. And in fact, them are going to find me very interesting when me speak, them know so them have a father at home. When I sit down upon the knowledge when me sit down, them know that. Them know when them start engage me, them must start look on them own father. I said that the way up to. And if them father ever hear me and them father is not a pussy, them father will take on to the information God showed. Now watch my comedics, stint them when me are going with. Now watch my English language when I speak. Yeah, man, just try resonate with that frequency of truth, that frequency of sovereignty. Yeah, them have to choose that. Anyway, regarding the case number SC 2023 TRE, not E, I'm just messing around rhyming, I know I love rhyme. TR 1005061234. One will heap a charge, man, them a pile up on me, I must say fire burn jokers, is clowns. So I know them a wait for me to present this kind of information, and them a hope I go easy. Yeah, them a hope I go easy. But a precedent I said, oh yeah, I'm gonna play too much unnecessary game. I'm gonna try again a little $100. Joke, I'm not joke out there. I'm telling us to have a fee schedule. I'm gonna tell the sergeant Edwards about the fee schedule, and the sergeant agree to my fee schedule. And you know the funny thing? These police always agree. The very same 3 police them in 2019, me have document that show where them I write down them name of them signing. Yeah, man. And all when me I teach out there and I try elevate them. It's like, me not see no change, but I realize that the change might occur for me and my people only and not for everybody. So I have to respect and understand that. And as such, I really gotta be mindful of that. Me I tell you. I don't know what the police them business was, but the youth them really professional. Me say 100 man not come from car, they make 100 man police them so hey, hey. But salute to that group there. I can say so them a come from good home, good folks. And I can say, well, without them show them respect and them a do them thing. Yeah. Yeah, read and write you with them and whoever lead them, like a sergeant, you like a short brother, brethren, so short. Boy, I tell you, some young you them in a warriors. Yeah, man, and man, them just have to just do the right thing and things that are beautiful out there. Really. From time immemorial, you have people who are adversarial to what is proper. And you have always need people to keep them kind of once in check. You understand? And I think that is the subtlety. It's like them must say, sovereign man, we don't know but once you identify yourself and you go about your business. But them rest are slave, yeah. Yeah, you can't really help them in a sovereign man. Sovereign man, you cannot help these people. You there talk for years and me hear you talk, sovereign man. And them no want hear what you say, sovereign man. So you go and go do your thing. You good. Make them pussy I feel learn like you, sovereign man. I'm gonna say, all right then, that is a truth. Yeah, man, it's subtle, but you have to be cognizant. So this is what I tell people. I say, if you don't apply yourself for yourself, just don't blame nobody, man. Don't talk. You choose not to help yourself. You choose not to align yourself with people that choose to stand up for, to stand up in a truth. Most I don't want the fraud, the little scam of them. It's more entertaining and it's more popular. You get to give a gift and everybody says you're rich and you're hype and whoop, 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 whoop. And when I check them, there's no substance. No substance. None. Joe. Anyway, introduction. This indictment of common law claim arises from allegations that the defendants, acting under the Road Traffic Act, unlawfully arrested and imprisoned the plaintiff, seized and destroyed private property, and thereby infringed upon the fundamental rights and freedom guaranteed under the Constitution of Jamaica as amended 2011. Now, number one, to sue for false arrest or false imprisonment, the arrest is presumed to be false. I understand that. However, all I need to prove is that the arrest occurred. And then the burden of proof is on the officers to prove that it was not false. For an imprisonment claim, all I need to do is to show that I was restrained of my liberty by words and acts which I feared to disregard. God, I'm armed and dangerous, and Jamaica have their own reputation with these police. Not all of them. Not all of them. Some of them can read and write. You fuck them right. Yes, and I'm respectful. Well, with I can say that. Can't say it for everybody. Because some of these people move inappropriately and them get dealt accordingly, and me not get involved. They were quick for disrespect me, as I can say. And when boy disrespect you, them for pay. Them for pay when them not respect you. Lick out boy teeth. Yeah, man. And watch me now. Just come call me from this office and say, Sovereign man, the boy never no behavior and rule. See video, see my video camera, Sovereign man. Because them go and lock me up and take my gun and tell me, say, boy, I misbehave as a police. So I want you, Sovereign man, come, just come talk on my behalf. I want to not good or not full, but change things. You see how I talk, it's simple and everybody would think that joke. Yeah, man. Change things, man. Just this influence from this office. Why? Because them know we demonstrate sovereignty. Them know I am he. Them know me the only man do some things where some little Mickey Mouse dance people are try mimic. Some little unlearned baby I try put them foot in a warrior shoes. Pussy. You can't come on. But we are stand up in a boy. It not come to you as a gift, pussy. It take years for you to go through certain things, all the trials and the tribulations. You have got through it. And your life are going to dictate that. So if you not live yet, joker, go make an effort, man, go step, man, live, man, go get some experience, man, and then you can come share your experience. Go on side when I'm not some little fraud, not scammer, not fraud. So what me I do ya? Which one of you can produce anything such as this? Which one? One is fraud out there. Scammers one is I burn on up on a core brawlingly. I know I'm not afraid pussies. I tell them I'm not done, so I'm gonna get offended. Joker. Step up on the game and rise to this occasion. Make the world see how bright ways, how intelligent ways, and how appropriate we all can live. I don't have to make them kind of decision there. I don't can make the change. It not start outside. It start within all of the item. I don't have to make the choice. But I make no choice. And we are see it. I don't go and pay for it. Fuck on a thing. I don't go and pay for no choices. That mean I pay for all of mine. I don't think me that's there so brilliant as I am. I don't see me there and I said what I want a vehicle. Not even not me have to go link 100 man and see what kind of old vehicle I'm have around there. Yeah man, and that's a watch. I give me one of them government vehicle that's painted in a full white. And I want the yellow and blue for people shoot me up or things about I'm town police and everything there. But government I forgot issue me things, all kind of things you know I forgot give me joke. I mean a sovereign around here. Alright, let me just finish this thing. Statement of grievance. It is hereby recorded that agents of the corporate state government have committed unlawful arbitrary acts against our sovereign people, including arbitrary false arrest without lawful warrant or probable cause. 2, arbitrary, unlawful detention and imprisonment contrary to constitutional protections. 3, arbitrary denial of due process and obstruction of peaceful passage. Because me never out there, I go on with no ruckus on the street. I wasn't, but me know the sergeant probably did on dime liquor. Yeah, man, God, that man just never have it all together that day. I hope him not pass away or not like that. Yeah, man, I hope him can't hear me. God, know me, I go roast him, you know, that a Sergeant A. Edwards, you know. Yeah, man, him a go call me, tell people, say me and him a brethren. When he done roast him, him a just know, say, boy, yeah, man, me and the sovereign man a bread. I wish I didn't know him. I would even look upon him. And now I would make him have to say nothing about nothing. But I go and roast you. I go and listen. I tell them I'm going to have to check up on these people. Anytime I'm up and running. Yeah, I can't bother. I got jog and sweaty, and when I pass out, that's I'm coming out of the place wet and sweaty. No. I forget myself together. So that me I do, when the most I give her a little strength, and the warrior them out there were really true to this thing. So buff up the office and thing. We just make sure we're secure what we need for secure. So that's preparation for we. We just always are prepared. When people see me, I move like me have electric, you know, me can't stand still, but that's always I exercise. You know what I mean? I go on with myself. But them thing they are part of who it is. It's natural within us, man. Yeah, man, you have to stay prepared. You can't wait until the thing get away, then you got to say you got to prepare and get ready. It not work that way. Can't work that way. Yeah, man. So number 4, arbitrary violation of treaty obligation under the Universal Postal Union and International Convention. But now we're going into the detail. I want to place that. The arbitrary actions are dishonorable, unlawful, and void under the supreme authority of natural law, constitutional chartered law, and treaty authority. Jamaica can't escape when I bring forward. Them can't get out of the way of these kind of information. Count for charges. Count 1, false arrest and unlawful imprisonment. A, allegations. The defendants arrested and detained the plaintiff without lawful grounds, without a lawfully sworn warrant with affidavit attached, and without lawful due process. Why is that? Because when I demonstrate my information, the guy ignore all light and just carry me and go lock me up. Same way, through them can't read and write. Down slide right back. Brawling me outside. Them know these things. Them just a learn now. Really? 2, basis. Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms, Section 13, 3F. Protection of liberty and security of the person. Count 2, unlawful seizure and destruction of property. Allegation. The defendants seize and destroy the plaintiff's private automobile, not registered to the state, without lawful justification or judicial oversight. Basis. Road Traffic Act 1938. Seizure provisions, Charter Section 13.3J, protection of property. And when we say 1938, why we use that? Without the 1938 Road Traffic Act, the 2023 Road Traffic Act would be in existence. It wouldn't exist. So it all have to derive from somewhere. So we like drape them in the root so one can see the truth. Count 3, freedom of movement, allegation. The defendants, excuse me, the The defendants denied and interfered with the plaintiff's ability to operate a private automobile, thereby restricting freedom of movement. Basis: Road Traffic Act 2019-38, Section 19A, refusal or cancellation of license. That's one of the provisions. Charter, Section 13, the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom, 13.3G, freedom of movements. And when I said Charter of Fundamental Rights, yeah, express law enough for them world. This is law. This is not where some pussy I think me make up. Some little sodomite dunce boy thinks about them can go in a parliament and overwrite. I'm not sick. I'm not getting a head bust off. I want to do them thing that for treason. I want to play with any other party, but the fundamental rights and freedom is untouchable. And that's this clarity people not have. Tell me, I tell them, man. Humble and learn, man. Humble and learn. Count 4. Abuse of administrative power. Allegation: the defendants exercise powers beyond lawful authority, applying the Road Traffic Act to a non-commercial automobile operated by a non-citizen sovereign, thereby undermining constitutional protections. Basis: principles of constitutional supremacy and due process. Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms, Section 13.2, guarantees rights and freedoms. No abrogation, abridgment, nor infringement. Again, absolutely no abrogation, abridgment, nor infringement. Facts of allegations. 1. On Tuesday, 2nd May 23, the plaintiff was operating a private non-commercial automobile. 2. Police authorities stopped the plaintiff, arrest and imprison the plaintiff without lawful grounds. 3. The plaintiff's automobile was seized and subsequently destroyed without judicial order or lawful justification. 4. These actions were carried out under color of law. Again, color of law, not law, color of law. That is their statutes and them nonsense for them push out, their policies, but exceeded statutory authority and violated constitutional protection. Number 5, the defendant's police witness statement with all named conspirators is attached and incorporated as evidence of a crime. Exhibit A. Now, the burden of proof is on you, defendants, to prove that your arbitrary actions were in fact lawful. So set them up. Any attorney I listen to me right now, I laugh and I say, long time I tell you, I say louder man there, you know, louder blood clot, most advanced diplomatic man there. Yeah, man, it's a mad man that. But them here mad and things that me a most advanced dunce. I'm not the most advanced dunce. Me a demonstrate who are the most advanced diplomat and who are the most advanced dunces out there. The dunce them a deal with fraud. The dunce them can't come in a public and express themselves like how the free sovereign man a do it. And see it. Me still not beat, you know. I teach. Because Jamaica government know me have them can sue them any day. You have some dunce attorney and say, oh, statute of limitation, dunce pussy, statute of limitation apply to you and your slavery. Can't apply to sovereignty sodomite. Because fraud vitiate all thing ab initio from its inception, dummy. You attorney, uno me attack, uno know to terrify them, right? Uno to tell the fuck of them out them on. So stay away from that sovereign man. Yeah, man. I'm like when the police officer, when them recognize me, when me identify me, I salute them. You know, me love it. Them call me Mr. Salute anyway. Me always a salute. Yeah, man. So it kind of impressive when you see me snap a salute up there and see the warrior them. Yeah, pussy on and have them authority that joke about. You want to say my neighbor them a peep like yes, yes, they come for him. Him have a big mouth, him love chat. You want to say my neighbor them a peep, who for come out? Just this. I know when them a come for me, the captain tank and them thing they have to come. Can't send a little one team for them. I know that. And them have to give me notification. So warrior, we want to sit down with you and we are pass through. So nobody get jiggy because we know your head not good. I'm just say forward man, there man, what go on? Yeah man. And if we have the food for share and thing, oh God man, them are gonna leave with a big belly who love drink and junk. Yeah man. And that's the energy out here, man. Real, no real man. But this is true, we are just, you know, like Christ, we just move through the ones them see we and reject with Rasta. I man come to I own and my own, reject me, my own, no me not. I be a foreign people and notify me and I give me ratings. And watch me now, not say foreign people and not even foreign black people. Really, but me get a lot of foreign black people ratings. Yeah. But my local people are now them in a shock. They must say, "How would a man there? A Marcus Garvey that?" I say Marcus Garvey what? Marcus Garvey do not what me do. I rate Marcus Garvey, you know. I feel no way, you know. But me they above and beyond them Freemasonic nonsense. That them posted there for bow to me. Literally, bow down to the sovereignty. Wanna not get it? Now try go on a clarity. Joker, but come on, Joker. Allow on a judiciary if you talk to me. On a qualified. Because come on, people. I want to see greatness come amongst on a little commoner. I don't know how for act. Jokers, and I can't do what me I do right here, and I'm not intellectually capable. I remember I'm not going to none of them university. I haven't. Even though I tell them about a little function I'm go and through it's so bossy and affluent, but I'm gonna go back. I'm going to ask your next invitation and just enjoy myself and not worry about poor people. The fuck. Got me go there and I say, well, the poor people I'm there. Be a big high society, me say. So me did really get a bit, you know, kind of enjoy the dinner and thing and, you know, go on myself a little bit. Me did already tell myself, say, this is not for poor people. This is how them I teach these kind of people to maintain the clamp on poor people. And because I discovered that, nobody go back. You know, my brethren kid that kind of feel away because the man make me the top man up at you, you know, top. I don't, this is true, I don't know these people and these titles not impress me. Yeah, man. Forgive me, my elder. And I like, you know, but I talk to you already about them thing that years ago still. You know, say, yeah, my thing a little bit different, Rasta. My thing a grassroots thing. My thing deal with people who walk barefoot. You understand? As proper as my sound, you know what I mean? As sophisticated as I might be. My thing I feel barefoot people. I mean, really. Yeah, man. My thing I feel you them when I know father, man. None. You know? And I know none. But that's no say my father energy I never nothing to play with. My father wasn't a pussy. And I hear no pussy story about my father. None. Yeah, man. So that's one of them energy that were the ones that have to totally comprehensible. Life on a game. You know what I mean? And that's the choices where you make determine how it really go. Always about the choices where you choose to make. It's not a game. It can be beautiful though. Yeah, man, it can be truly lovely. Now, prayer for relief. The plaintiff respectfully demand 1. A declaration that the defendant's actions were unlawful and unconstitutional. 2. Compensation for damage suffered, US 1 million units per value, loss of liberty, US 1,500,000 units of value. Destruction of property, US 1,500,000 units of value. Hey, what another money around 100, man. 100 T far light in a rasta, so I have to go redirect this thing right in 100. Yeah, man. What I want to think me I get for that? I done it right at the top of the instrument. I place that information where Andrew I gonna get the very same charge. Why? Because notice the agent is notice to the principal, notice to them boss. So same like how them liable, or same with the boss liable. You think the boss are gonna lie for hearsay? Me I gonna put a rascal claim on him because of some little police where things of them know law, things of them bright, and violate the sovereign man discipline, perplex the sovereign man tranquility, take with the sovereign man probox in diplomatic wagon and destroy it, scrap it down. No man, them are gonna say watch no man. I only have to take that judgment, yeah. I remember, I know so them like to pass them liability onto the federal banding company. And if you see me a bill, so I know it not gonna take me nothing. For sure, a document where we have construct information for notify on insurance. That means that we're not gonna lose on the work. That means that we won't be able to even work as a security guard. We will not be able to be insured. Can't be insured nowhere. And when a judge said, I'm not talk like him no law, so I'm just tell the judge, say, watch out, put a commercial lien on you, because you're a public servant, and don't feel like you can't hide. All our information have to be provided out of the county record. Yeah, boss. Telling us my seal and a joke, Don't watch just the image upon YouTube. I'm showing an official document, lawful document, with lawful seal inscribed. That's why it pissed me off when the little dumb snap here, untidy tourist resort boy move my seal and want me in a group chat. The pussy invite me, and now show common courtesy. So the dog, Brett, unlearned people behave. Them little, and that's why when I met the good suffer for the bad. Because I know say country are heaven, but when I spoil the heaven for their country, on a little tourist resort type of mophead joker, dunce boy. You see how me have bunny, your career end, whatever business you now do it end. I met the rest of your friend them tell about me. Let them tell you how I deal with YouTube. I met YouTube shake. Everybody run gone. And when they look over Twitter, them think me not know about Twitter. The joke of them think me not know about these things long time. Interest me not have. I can't do so much thing. I remember me now have a team. It's done with a youth named Hassan. Boy, Hassan, but I know he's a tough youth. They make me laugh, Hassan Blake. Hassan Blake is a troublemaker kind of people. Yeah, man, but I rate the warrior kind. I beat him and the man that stick the like him I say, I don't care what you say, no suffering, man. Yeah, man, I know you, I now come around you because you look like you're full of fire, but I rate your sovereign, man, and I share your information. Now I can't say I share your information. And I respect you for that, warrior. You get so much more respect from me. Yeah, man, that's why I rate Joel Jaguar C. I rate Joel Jaguar C down to the ground where Jaguar walk. If Jaguar ever understand the energy when I push towards him, believe it. Why? Because me and Jaguar walk through the adversity of fire. And Jaguar is a country youth. Jaguar proudly tell us that him come from up in a bush. And when you hear Jaguar talk, you're going to know Jaguar come from up in a bush. When Jaguar talk, Jaguar say, she, me say Jaguar, who? Jaguar fuck me head up, my hair dead, me a dead. Jaguar call man, me say Jaguar, you can't go in front of them people and talk, so they will look you up. I said, correct. Yeah, man, and Jaguar wall out, warrior, I rate you, my king. I rate down to the ground where you walk on you. That's why I don't care where you go through, you have to maintain your integrity, youth. You have to maintain your dignity, my warrior. Live feet warrior. All you want more is truth where you stand up in. Yeah, man. I'm proud of your warrior. Yeah, man. Because you got through it. And me have other warriors out there where I prepare themselves and I study up and me I say, me already proud of honor just for the effort we wanna make. Me proud of honor, you say warriors. I truly don't know. Yeah, man. You have others where they are part of me, real close to me and thing, but them violate, them betray with trust. And when we open the door for them come forward, them still come deceptive. And them still being deceptive. And them not try at least make an effort to purify themselves before them. You know, so when them come, the energy, me can't even help it. Yeah, man, my ancestors, them just push back and say, what is that? You know what I mean? Where them I go? Them where them my ancestors go on. Yeah, man. That's why I'm tell them I go on so much information. And most of them I go on. I have to improve on myself, Rasta. That's how I know it there. Me have to make an effort, a concerted effort for always improve myself. I always know me can be better. Me always know me can do more. Me always know when me I give me not no limit. That's why I isolate myself. If you give me $100 now, me I give it $70 out of it, brawling. Yeah, man, and if me have the under 30 in my pocket now for myself, and you come back, come beg me, give it what to, and let myself broke and I laugh and I say, blood clot, me a really idiot now. And all I who get, all I who me give it to, and just laugh off of me and say me a fool. Yeah, man. And me just laugh and give thanks and say, give thanks most side. Some more of my debt, me a clear easily. Because me I do anything when me I do sincere, really. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Which part am I there now? Number 3, injunctive relief, prohibiting further false arrest, unlawful seizure or denial of fundamental rights and freedom. 4, all other remedies deemed just by the tribunal, such as strategic avoidance, do not trespass, do not detain, do not interrogate, do not interfere with fundamental rights and freedoms. Yeah, man. I hope I'm not gone too long, because sometimes I'm telling myself I love going with myself. Say that. Now, it's because I travel, me I travel, and the joke of them don't know nothing about what going out there. Me I forget them information, surface them some information. So it's a declaration of travel exemption. Declaration of travel exemption anchored in the New Hampshire Constitution, only because it's a novelty here on the island. We have to introduce outside jurisdictional framework, the Jamaica Constitution, and the US Federal Constitution. And through my people and upon the mainland, we have to secure and cover them ground here. The very same thing applied to England, but English people not really spend money. So on English, me have a English brethren who are top youth over there. Them youth that plug into me. So now go get no problem when can't come out. So if I have any problem, it's in link me. And me and him can discuss information and share ideas with it. Them youth are brilliant. Salute when I want to call your wrong name out there and nobody get in trouble. But try, you know yourself, man. Yeah, man. Travis out there, you know yourself, warrior. British warrior. Yeah, man. Warrior come link me and him all our energy and me give thanks. Yeah, man. But warrior plug in, warrior top man, and warrior people are my top people. So warrior, you have to be regular like me. You have to be a nobody like me and step out of them face, brawling and bowling and say, I have the authority. Which one can challenge me? Yeah, man. But when them will stop you and think them can run you and say, oh, you're connected to such and such and such, so you kind of get a pass more, yeah. But it was a joy to see you and your children them. Boy, may I tell you, that was so beautiful, Rasta. Yeah, man, I see you and your two daughters them. Oh, God. I love it, my king, man. I love the man them where hold on them family. All when it rough. Sometimes people don't understand so the woman them get enough trouble when them want to, you know. Yeah, man, especially when them get a good man them. Oh gosh. Them just lose them head. Them just get giddy. Yeah, man. Until them lose the good man, then them realize, oh shit, when me did I do a fuckery. But salute my warrior, salute king, complete respect with power, my lord. Anyway, let me finish up this and move to our next thing, you know. Now, clause 1 is a constitutional anchor, and we talk about New Hampshire Constitution. We talk about the Bill of Rights. So, upon the mainland, Article 4 and 15 affirm liberty and due process. Number 2, Jamaica Constitution as amended 2011, the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom, Section 13(3)(g), guarantee freedom of movement. The U.S. National Constitution, Article 4 and 14th Amendment, protection and protects interstate travel as a fundamental liberty. So when I just come talk loose, so like some of them like a dunce boy, them little unlearned scammer, yeah. Una fraud. All are una fraud. All are una scammer. And watch me now, just prove me wrong. Just prove me wrong. That's it. Una talk freedom, attack indigenous, want to talk sovereignty, but you can't talk sovereignty. But one do all that of fuckery, and me a desecrate, decimate, terminate, obliterate phone narrative. One better come a class, come learn, or I'm going to perpetually get this judgment. Because I want to know the truth. I want to know about truth. I lack truth, I lack clarity, and I cowards. I'm afraid to write on paper and publish. And are cowards. Yeah, man. Clause 2, jurisdictional note. 1. The Department of Safety's statutory requirements apply only to commercial operators. 2. Private conveyances are consumer goods under Uniform Commercial Code 9-109, exempt from commercial registration. So, on a registry not apply to me. Can't apply to me. I mean, I demonstrate law, I show no why. I not talk like some of them sodomite boy. We're going to some university and get stuck by some other sodomite and come out and talk like them proper. I'm on born on a tone of core. On the ear of my sound. On the can't come try to tell me something a liar. All of what me I say are nonsense. Which one I don't know want to put on the head on that block? Which one? I want to show respect out there. Pussy. I want to know nothing great. I want to cowards out there. Show respect. I get in the face. Mash up out there. Clause 3. Mandate. The Jamaica Department of Safety shall provide for this sovereign man at no cost, and to all of my brethren them will choose to follow me, will have them non-commercial automobile and non-conveyance owner. Here what them have to give to me, because them thief my decal. Elliston Road police thief my decal. Right now the police were thief that probably a laugh. I say, yo, see sovereign man a talk about me there. Yeah, man, I mean that him a talk about me, but me don't want him call me thief. I want to send a note to him, make him know, say, boy, no matter say me a thief, man. I just know, say, you're great, and I want peace of your greatness. So which one only thief make your key? Don't to make your key, the man, them not give me back in. I pay money me have to spend now. When I come out again, some other little, hey, that's why I say me have that fire after them. I'm still not hurt them, and I teach them, and them love my feet, you know. I tell them, say, as long as some dunce police, but can't read, can't write, and I know them getting the force. And them alone, I got off this. You say, when I look a young one, them hear me and take on to this, all of them I get raised up pay. All of them I get raised up pay. Yeah, we're not gonna fool them and listen, knowledge over ignorance, people. That's all it is. Knowledge over ignorance. Enough boy out there lack knowledge, them just chat. That's why you hear me I beat them like that. Yeah, man. Prove what you talk about. Prove it. You can't. You can't defend it. You know, you can't just sell. You sell to online people. But now the people them a get to know me. Now them a hear me. Them a say, "Who the rascal man there? I went there." Politician now a shake and say, "Hey, I make sure I go send him a trend round there and make sure I'm good in the car." More make sure so when the voting time come, him can say, "Boy, me as a politician do some good work." Like how me used to rate the Portland lady. The Portland lady really put in some work. I never expect her to go on with herself. Some things such a touch. But my lady put on her clothes, put on her work boot. Salute Portland lady. Yeah. When I know it look like them throw me out her thing. Me used to friend her thing. Me I wonder if I wanted to do them my unfriend. Me not think me unfriend that lady. Me not think me another friend. I'm looking at the Facebook and me not see her thing. A whole heap of people run from the energy I still. Them are high, them are saying, you know what, that's bring back that to inner me or to, highlight me, yeah, feel thing too precise. Them things I'm afraid of the truth. So again, these people need to give me a decal stating exempt 9-109 private conveyance. Them have to give me that. Jamaica, you have to give me a photo identification card affirming registration exemptions, very same. True, now deal with commerce. That's the uniform commercial code that we have to use. You understand? But me are showing a law. Me are present law. Me are prescribe law. Because I am the source and the authority and the author of law. Now, Jamaica, we got rearrange a whole lot of things. I'm telling you. I mean, do it, but we don't know it. Because we can't see it. Yeah, man. Clause 4. Why am I thinking? Well, I don't know. Me always have this. Oh, gosh, these things. I don't know. Me have this, The day I get a right set of equipment. And the day a man say, yo, me send a trend around there, say, watch out. Enough. Watch out. I send the equipment from. That's it. Brand new computer, brand new this, brand new that, everything up and running. Yeah, man. Now I'm going to see something different. This thing take too long for me, but I don't have a choice. No choice. I just work with what me have. Me no bother complain. That's why I'm a beat them pussy where I get all kind of tourist money and I go on with themselves like them special when me know say them not even comedic funny. You know what I mean? Them not go on with nothing. Them trick everybody until now. Same when I deal with YouTube or something, I come deal with TikTok. Yeah, man, I go pussy, I go run out of that. I'm not talk the low IQ, because the low IQ people, them now got no interest in my thing. But the little pretending fraud, the little scam them out there, every one on a pussy, I go run out of that. Why? Because truth there now. Yeah, man, and truth is the authority. Truth a chance sovereignty. And most are not terrified of. Really? Now, again, clause 4 proclamation. Freedom of movement is fundamental, Jamaica. The right to travel is inviolable. No statute, no agency may abridge it. Conclusion. The revised statute annotated. I guess me talk about them thing already. I guess we can cut out. Yeah, them I can read, can look and read. Yeah, man. I'm not supposed to just go on like say, boy, yeah, everything. Yeah, them read, man. Read, man. Yeah, man. Pause and stop and read. After a while, I never stop to this. I don't know what me I do. I mean, I can't tell you what me I do. But a time took soon to come. Yeah. When I go see them location, I kind of go quiet. Not disappearing, I just kind of go quiet. Yeah, man. And just allow the information we put out there, them for process it. Yeah, man. And then I gotta look on the reactions, how I go on, the changes we make out there. I gotta look and I see, really. Anyway, again, complete gratitude. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable unto the Most High, Creator of nature. We do give thanks and praise. Complete gratitude. Free people. Complete gratitude. 55 minutes. Oh gosh. I done it right, yes, sir, Rasta. I want to upload it on a TikTok. Catalog. Salute free people.